watch out for if you want to get a tin in the future. Wait, I have. So, what you should look out for if you want to get a watercolor tin in the future. It depends what you need, and I would say the color selection, because you most likely don't need a white or black probably. So if your tin has, and I know Schminke has the smaller tins without these colors, like this one doesn't have black or white and is totally functional. What you should look out for that it contains also a variety like of yellows, reds and blues. So you have the primary colors. It should contain like a kind of lemon yellow, like a greenish. No, you don't need a black. We can talk about it, but you don't need a black. Like kind of lemon yellow, kind of magenta pink, and kind of like of this nice sky blue, because those are the primaries that you can mix the biggest variety of colors with, and everything else is an addition for you to make mixing easier. But like that is something that you should look out for. I would also recommend to get one that has kind of a reddish brown and like of a chocolate brown too, because they will make mixing so much easier for you. My favorite dogs are black. But